What if I told you that the biggest fire danger in your home isn't candles or even your stove, but something you walk past every single day? Every year, over 350,000 home fires happen in the US. Most don't start from dramatic accidents. They start from small, hidden mistakes. Today, I'll show you 7 fire hazards hiding in your home, why they're dangerous, real examples of how fires start, and exactly how to fix them before it's too late. Stay until the end. Number 7 is responsible for thousands of house fires every year. Number 1. Overloaded electrical outlets. Problem: plugging too many devices into one outlet or power strip overheats the wiring behind your walls. Data: electrical fires cause nearly 50,000 home fires every year, and overloaded outlets are a leading cause. Real example: a family plugged the space heater, TV, and phone chargers into one outlet. The outlet overheated overnight. The fire started inside the wall, spreading before anyone noticed. Solution: never plug high-watt devices into power strips. Use surge protectors, not cheap extensions. If an outlet feels warm, stop using it immediately. Number 2. Forgotten kitchen grease. Problem: grease buildup near stoves, ovens, and range hoods is highly flammable. Data: cooking fires cause nearly half of all home fires. Real example: a small grease flame jumped from a pan to the hood filter. Within seconds, the cabinets were on fire. Solution: clean stovetops weekly. Never pour water on grease fires. Keep a lid or baking soda nearby. Number 3. Space heaters too close. Problem: space heaters ignite nearby furniture, curtains, or bedding. Data: space heaters cause 1 out of every 5 home fire deaths. Real example: a heater placed near a couch ticked over at night. The fire spread before smoke alarms activated. Solution: keep heaters 3 feet away from anything. Use models with auto shutoff. Never leave them on while sleeping. Number 4. Old or damaged wiring. Problem: aging wires crack, spark, and overheat behind walls. Silent but deadly. Data: homes over 40 years old are at much higher risk for electrical fires. Real example: a flickering light ignored for months turned into a wall fire during summer heat. Solution: watch for flickering lights or burning smells. Upgrade outdated panels. Schedule a professional electrical inspection. Number 5. Candles left unattended. Problem: candles ignite nearby objects long after you forget about them. Data: candle fires cause thousands of house fires every year. Most happen when people leave the room. Real example: a candle burned low, tipped over, and ignited a coffee table while the homeowner slept. Solution: never leave candles unattended. Keep them away from curtains. Switch to LED flameless candles. Number 6. Dryer lint buildup. Problem: lint is extremely flammable and builds up in dryer vents. Data: dryers cause over 15,000 fires every year. Real example: a clogged dryer vent ignited during a routine laundry cycle. Fire spread through the vent system. Solution: clean lint trap after every load. Clean vent hose every 6 months. Number 7. Lithium battery charging stations. Problem: phones, laptops, and e-bike batteries can overheat and explode while charging. Data: battery-related fires are rapidly increasing every year. Real example: a phone charging on a bed overheated, igniting sheets and causing a full bedroom fire. Solution: never charge devices on beds or couches. Use original chargers only. Charge on hard, non-flammable surfaces. Most home fires don't start with flames. They start with small warnings people ignore. Check your home tonight. Fix just one of these hazards, and you could save your life. Comment "safe" if you're checking your home today. Like if this helped. Bell for weekly home safety tips.